Once synonymous with oil and gas, the northeast of Scotland is decarbonising, looking at renewables and other lower impact energies. A report out today from Robert Gordon University says now is a crucial time for investment that could grow or stunt this development.
What we did in this report is to translate the energy transition is what is it going to mean for people, what does it mean for jobs. Investment drives activity, activity drives people, so we need to make sure we invest in this region.
The findings looked at 4 different scenarios for the energy sector in the northeast. At best, it said if the area attracts £17 billion worth of funding, it could create up to 9,000 new jobs. But at the opposite end of the scale, a lack of investment could mean up to 17,000 energy sector jobs would be lost by 2030.
It's absolutely key for the region to get a big slice of this. We already have almost a third of the money going in the oil and gas industry happens in this region. It is not unreasonable to expect the same to happen for the renewables industry here. If we don't, and we see the investment to go other parts of the UK, we'll see jobs going down in this region. We need to get faster, we need to get greener, we need to get better at this.
In April, the UK government published its energy security strategy, with targets to produce more offshore wind and hydrogen power over the next decade. Already, those working in the renewable sector say the area is seeing good levels of investment in these industries and are hopeful these will continue.
We're seeing some super commitment and investment in renewable energy over the last few years. The project you can see behind me was a £230 million project, and earlier this year we saw the commitment to award leases to the ScotWind developers, and that has a huge investment potential attached to it. So when you add the investments in wind and hydrogen and some of the other investments that are going on in the energy transition, this is a really exciting time for North East Scotland.
The next decade will be important for the northeast energy industry, continuing to attract more investment and, crucially, safeguarding and building the local workforce.